Have you ever stopped to think about why lions always carry their cubs by the scruff of the neck? In fact, all members of the feline family, including tigers, have a natural off switch located on the back of their necks. When this area is gently grasped, it triggers a calming reflex that causes their bodies to go still, almost like entering a temporary standby mode. This is why lion parents lift their young by this spot using their teeth. It keeps the cub relaxed and prevents injury during transport. Interestingly, this technique doesn't cause pain, which is why even veterinarians occasionally use it when handling overly aggressive cats. By holding the loose skin on the back of the neck while also supporting the cat's body, they can safely calm the animal without causing stress.